What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Affmy.com affiliate CPA marketing network. Effective CPA network. We aim to connect top converting publishers with advertisers who have the most lucrative and exclusive affiliate offers online. Sounds very promising. And when I was first hearing Affmy, then I was like, Affmy what? Pun intended. So funny. Leads, quality monitoring, relevant for advertisers. For publishers, we care about your traffic. Really? Offers from direct advertisers, that's cool. Affmy CPA. Nothing about payments, options. Nope. But I guess we'll see that when we're inside the network. And this is what it looks like. Affmy sells traffic, so they also not only monetize traffic through their network, they also sell traffic, and they have a little promo here. Your personal manager, Alexandra, shout out to you, and GMT +3, so they must be somewhere in Eastern Europe. Top multi-geo offers, top hot offers in August, that is the latest news, dropped just a couple of days ago. Statistics for the last 10 days in a nice overview, and the statistics for today. Then we have some new offers, adult dating. I only see adult stuff. And then they have top 5 offers, which is all related to dating, adult dating. So for the statistics, I think we've seen this kind of network before. It's built by Affise. Usually the smaller networks use this from what I've seen, and you have basically everything you need from the overview. Everything is available for this network actually also in euros and in US dollars, which is nice. Full statistical overview on your traffic, the impressions, approved, pending, declined. Of course, you need to know how much money you're making, when, any real time. Conversions, offers, smart link browsers, operating system devices, countries. It is all there. Which is cool, but we want to know what kind of offers do you have? We've already seen some adult dating stuff, which I'm not a huge fan of, but let's see. Astrology, okay, that came out of nowhere. They don't have images, but astrology is pretty cool to run, all countries. Can we have a preview of it? Guardian angel, messenger, your reading of the angels. This is cool. Ask for your free reading. Okay, so it's kind of like an opt-in. Cool, looks nice. So this is for the US, 158 per lead. So probably not the greatest payout for social traffic, but it looks quite good actually. Get a free reading. Cool. All right, then you have the adult smart link, adult dating, cams, sweepstake, PayPal US sweepstake, Amazon US, mainstream dating, Nutra, cams. Oh, they have the vertical in the image. That's nice. That helps a lot. Although it's here also, but it's nice. Look at these names. So funny, so funny. Mainstream dating, more dating, and then another sweepstake. So they have 158 offers, which is not that much, but let's just put them all on one page and have a look at this. See what they got. Okay, gay dating. More cams, pay site, which is also adult pay site, yeah, it's the same. A lot of adult, so they're really into the dating, adult dating. They have like 3 astrology random offers. They have like 6 random sweepstakes, but everything else is just dating and adult dating. That is what dominates this CPA network. So if you're into that, there's a link in the description to sign up for Affmy.com CPA marketing network if you're interested. The live offers should be the same, right? 158. Okay. Smart links. JAV HD Casper Sale in-house. Toolbox, just API, payments, news. I always like to see an FAQ. Would you like to expand the boundaries of your profit? Oh, then you can click on here and something publishes. Pushes, beast, pushes. Top offer selection, Affmy. Would you like to expand the boundaries of your profit? Are you ready to make money in non-tier 1 geos? Yes, of course, always. We know how you can get more. Think outside the box, drive traffic, multiple geos, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, they're just like a weekly newsletter promo for their offers. Payments are sent. Why wouldn't your payments be sent? All payments for the period. Thanks for working with us. Okay. I always like to know where. So they have like cannabis. They have like little updates. Is that every week? Yeah, it looks like it's every week. That's nice. So they keep up with the news. I always like to know if there's a little FAQ on their website or something. Just to know like what payment options are available, how fast are publishers being paid, like that kind of stuff. But I'm afraid they don't have it here. Nope, they just talk about the traffic. And if you go to payments, maybe when you put in the payment settings, there are no payments. Profile. Okay, you still have to put in the money. But they don't say any minimums, so it is not available, unfortunately. But yeah, if you're into dating, not saying I'm a super big fan of this network, just gonna be honest, I'll rate it 6 out of 10. You can give it a shot. It appears to be a small network, heavily focused on dating and adult dating. But if that's your cup of tea, for sure, check them out. If you have any questions about Affmy, leave them in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.